Welcome to our guide on the path of Yin Yoga. In this video, we will explore the principles and benefits of Yin Yoga and demonstrate some key poses. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, this video is for you. Yin Yoga is a slow-paced style of yoga that involves holding poses for longer periods of time, typically 3 to 5 minutes. It targets the connective tissues of the body, such as the ligaments, tendons, and fascia, rather than the muscles. The practice of Yin Yoga can help improve flexibility, increase circulation, and reduce stress and anxiety. It can also be a great complement to more active styles of yoga or exercise. Now, let's move on to some key poses in Yin Yoga. The first pose we'll demonstrate is the butterfly pose, also known as the bound angle pose. This pose targets the hips and inner thighs, and can help improve flexibility in these areas. Next up is the dragon pose, which targets the hips and groin. This pose can be quite intense, so be sure to listen to your body and only go as far as feels comfortable. The Sphinx pose is a gentle back bend that targets the spine and chest. It can help improve posture and relieve tension in the upper body. The caterpillar pose, also known as the seated forward bend, targets the hamstrings and lower back. It can help improve flexibility in these areas and promote relaxation. That concludes our guide on the path of Yin Yoga. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Remember to always listen to your body and only go as far as feels comfortable. Thank you for watching.